Times of India called me from Delhi and wondered whether I would be able to do a few words for this program, for their radio. I read the piece and I felt that it was very inspirational, very uplifting for the country, and I asked them whether they would be interested in making a video out of this, because that would have a much greater impact and a much greater reach.
And that's how a radio campaign became an inspirational video. In keeping with their periodic social campaigns, the Times of India celebrates the spirit of the nation in India Poised, a campaign which aims at declaring 2007 as a year of reckoning, in which Indians should literally seize the moment. And who better than Mr. Bachchan to play the torchbearer?
Yeah, I think the piece is very well written. I think it's there is some amount of truth in the words that have been devised, and that's why it was inspiring enough for me to come here.
The video was shot at Bandra Worli Ceiling, which is one of the most ambitious engineering projects undertaken by India. And befitting the location was the theme of the campaign: an optimistic India versus a skeptic India. An India which achieves and not hopes. An India which has faith in success and not fear of failure.
I thought it was a great time to write a script like this, because this is that time when the conflict is at its most vivid.
As we are stepping into this 60th year of freedom movement, I think this debate of India versus India, or optimistic India and pessimistic India, is very, very important.
The video campaign, which was completed in 7 hours, had a dapper Amitabh Bachchan against the backdrop of the Arabian Sea. And in true Bachchan style, he delivered the lines in both Hindi and English to perfection. Packing in the punch required for the inspirational campaign.
I think this is it's a wonderful cause for the nation, and anytime there is a call from the nation, one must put aside all personal matters and come forward and help towards it.
With the year 2007 being the 60th anniversary of India's independence, what better way to celebrate than to rid ourselves of the constraining ghosts from the past and embrace a brand new positive India. India Poised. Our time is now. Preeti Chaudhary in Mumbai for Times Now.